Hey there, fashionistas! Welcome back to my channel, where we dive into all things fashion, style, and budget-friendly tips. If you're obsessed with the academia aesthetic but don't want to spend a fortune, you're in the right place. The academia style is all about that scholarly, vintage-inspired look, and today I'm going to show you how to achieve it without breaking the bank. Today, I'm sharing my top tips for building an academia-inspired wardrobe on a budget. From thrift shopping to DIY projects, we've got it all covered. Let's dive in. Thrift shopping magic first up. Thrift stores are your best friend. They are treasure troves of unique and affordable pieces that can help you nail that academia look. You can find classic blazers, vintage cardigans, and tweed skirts without emptying your wallet. These items are often high quality and have that timeless appeal. Pro tip: visit thrift stores in upscale neighborhoods. They often have the best finds. You might stumble upon designer pieces at a fraction of the cost. Also, don't forget to check out online thrift shops like ThredUp and Poshmark. These platforms offer a wide range of second-hand items that can be delivered right to your door. The key is patience and persistence. Dig through those racks to uncover hidden gems. Sometimes, the best pieces are hidden in plain sight. Affordable brands. Next, let's talk about affordable brands that nail the academia vibe. These brands offer stylish and budget-friendly options that can help you build your wardrobe. Stores like H&M, Uniqlo, and Zara offer timeless pieces at budget-friendly prices. They frequently update their collections, so keep an eye out for sales and new arrivals. Look for basics like button-down shirts, knit sweaters, and high-waisted trousers. These items are versatile and can be styled in numerous ways to create different looks. Invest in versatile items that you can mix and match to create multiple outfits. This way you can maximize your wardrobe without spending too much. And remember, quality over quantity. It's better to have a few well-made pieces that will last you a long time than a closet full of fast fashion that wears out quickly. A few well-made pieces can go a long way. They can be the foundation of your wardrobe and can be styled in various ways to keep your look fresh and interesting. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fashion hacks, DIY, and upcycling. Now let's get creative with some DIY and upcycling tips. This is where you can really let your personality shine through your wardrobe. Got an old sweater? Add elbow patches for that classic professor look. It's a simple and inexpensive way to give new life to an old piece. Bored with your plain tote bag? Sew on some vintage patches or embroider a cute design. This not only makes your bag unique but also adds a personal touch. Upcycling not only saves money but also gives your wardrobe a unique, personalized touch. You'll have one-of-a-kind pieces that no one else has. Plus, it's super eco-friendly. You're reducing waste and making the most out of what you already have. Accessories make the look lastly. Don't underestimate the power of accessories. They can completely transform an outfit and make it look more polished and put together. Berets, scarves, and glasses can instantly elevate your outfit. These small additions can make a big impact and help you achieve that academia look. Check out stores like Forever 21 or ASOS for affordable, trendy accessories. They have a wide range of options that can fit any budget. And don't forget those statement pieces like a leather satchel or a pair of Oxfords to tie the whole look together. These items are worth investing in as they can be used in multiple outfits. And there you have it, affordable academia wardrobe hacks to keep you stylish and budget savvy. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you're excited to start building your own academia-inspired wardrobe. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your support means the world to me and helps me create more content for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fashion tips and tricks. I've got a lot more exciting content coming your way, so stay tuned. See you next time, fashionistas. Keep slaying those looks and remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself. Bye for now.